That sound should only happen when you want it to. But what if your front door could be opened with a $20 gadget from the internet? Or a simple Bluetooth glitch? We didn't just review smart locks this year, we attacked them. With hackers, lockpicks, and every exploit in the book. What we found will keep you up at night. Most locks failed. But 5 of them, 5 stood strong against everything we threw at them. One was so secure, it broke our tools. Before you buy a lock that's more convenient than safe, you need to see this. Starting at number 1. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Best overall. This smart lock from Schlage gets a Grade 1 mechanical quality rating from the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, which is the best rating available and means the Deadbolt can withstand 250,000 cycles and 10 door strikes with a hammer. Examining the Deadbolt, it's not hard to understand how it earned the rating with its robust, heavy metal housings that enclose both the interior and exterior mechanisms. The smart lock also has a very straightforward installation process, requiring only one screwdriver, though an impact driver would have helped us speed things along. Expect to spend about 15 minutes setting it up. The Schlage Home app, which is required to set up the lock, is clean and intuitive, making management and administration of the smart functionalities a breeze. It also allows you to manage multiple locks across your home or even across different properties under the same umbrella. The Encode uses Bluetooth initially, but once it's up and running, it connects to a home Wi-Fi network without any hubs or bridges. Once it's connected to your home Wi-Fi, you can manage all functionality from anywhere using the app. The Encode is also compatible with Ring security systems via the Key by Amazon app, as well as Google Assistant. Number 2. Yale Assure Smart Lock. Best for Wi-Fi connection. This smart lock stands out as the best complete replacement for your current Deadbolt system, and hopefully, your need for keys. While the Deadbolt does come with a mechanical key, the smart lock app is designed to auto-lock and unlock based on how long it's been since you shut the door and how close you are to the door when returning, respectively. Of course, if you lose phone connectivity, the lock won't recognize your proximity, but even without this feature, you still won't need a key, as the front-facing number pad offers an additional method of entry. The smart lock connects easily to nearly all of the major smart home assistants including Amazon Alexa, Google, Apple HomeKit, and even Airbnb software for getting key codes to your guests. Number 3. Aqara U200 Smart Lock U200. Most unlocking options. The Aqara U200 technically requires a connection to a secondary device in order to access its full range of features, but instead of this being a specific Wi-Fi bridge which you likely don't own yet, it connects to smart home hubs like the Amazon Echo or Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home. This means the smart lock comfortably integrates with whatever existing smart home hub tech you already have. If you don't have one, of course, this might be a reason to choose a different lock, or maybe it's the reason you need to finally invest in a smart home hub. What we liked the most about this smart lock was its variety of unlocking methods. You can activate the lock with a passcode on a physical number pad, voice commands on a smart home hub, remote access from the smartphone app, proximity locking and unlocking through the phone's Bluetooth, Apple Wallet virtual keys, or temporary generated passcodes for guests. The smart lock also unlocks through a physical key fob that is sold separately. The temporary passcodes work both as one-time codes to allow in a delivery driver or handyman, as well as periodic codes that work for multiple days or weeks. These are better suited for visitors or Airbnb guests. The Aqara installs easier than most because it fits over an existing door lock, so this is a solid option for anyone who doesn't want to drill or take on any more complicated DIY projects. Number 4. Lockly Visage Zeno Series Smart Lock. Most secure keypad. Lockly's Visage Zeno Smart Lock offers tons of great unlocking options, but the one we liked the most was the basic pin keyboard. The reason why is because of its unique number scrambling technology. Many smart locks with physical keypads start fading on the numbers that are pressed most often. If you don't change the passcode, eventually someone can start guessing your pin number based on the faded buttons. The Visage fixes this problem by shuffling the location of each digit every time you use it. That means no buttons will fade early. That said, the name of the smart lock is actually a reference to its facial recognition unlocking feature. The device comes with a built-in camera that saves facial profiles. So, if you simply walk up and look at the lock, it opens for you. After setting it up, we found that it worked pretty well in decent lighting. If it is too dark out, and you don't have a porch light, consider using your phone, the pin, or your fingerprint instead. The smart lock also holds up to 99 different fingerprint profiles, which makes it great for any home with a large circle of nearby friends and family. This allows grandparents, kids, and close friends to have quick access to your home in a pinch if you aren't there. Number 5. Alfred DB2B Smart Lock. Best for Airbnb hosts. This complete deadbolt set comes with a sleek, contemporary smart lock that features a large, easy-to-read, illuminated touchpad. It operates primarily using Bluetooth, so lock and unlock features in the app only function when you're in close proximity. Remote functionality requires an additional Wi-Fi bridge or a Z-Wave module to connect to Z-Wave home hubs. Installation of the DB2B is straightforward and takes about 15 minutes, with setup via Alfred's app taking another 10 minutes. We found the app easy to use and quickly created access codes for the occupants of our test home. Pins are numeric and can be anywhere from 4 to 10 digits. We appreciated that flexibility instead of being locked into a specific length. The number pad holds up to 20 different PIN codes for entry, so the lock is ideal for hosting guests or Airbnb clients. We allowed the app access to location services on our phone, which meant that once we were close enough to the lock, we could simply touch it to unlock the door. Alternatively, we could open the app to unlock or lock the door. So, which lock is guarding your home? The verdict is in. Direct links to purchase all 5 of our top-rated, security-proven smart locks are in the description below. Upgrade your peace of mind today. If this security deep dive made you feel safer, hit that like button. It helps protect more homeowners. Please share this video with your family and neighbors. And subscribe and ring the bell, because next week, we're exposing a shocking vulnerability in popular smart doorbells that lets strangers listen in. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.